If you've recently received a strange text message claiming to be from the Maryland DMV about an unpaid traffic ticket, complete with a random code like 15C16.003 and a threatening deadline of June 4, 2025, then you're not alone and you should not trust it. These messages are flooding phones across Maryland and beyond, causing concern and confusion for people who don't even remember getting a traffic ticket. At first glance, the text looks somewhat official. It uses government-style language, includes a legal-sounding code, and urges immediate action, but when you dig deeper, everything about it falls apart. For starters, Maryland doesn't even use the term DMV. The official agency here is the MVA, which stands for the Motor Vehicle Administration. That's your first clue something's off. Second, the link included in the message leads to a suspicious doublequotes.icu domain. This is not an official government site, and this type of domain has been flagged many times in past phishing scams. Another major red flag? The phone number the message comes from includes the +63 country code, which is assigned to the Philippines, not the US, making it clear this is not coming from any legitimate American agency. In fact, no real government office sends surprise citations or demands payment through random texts without proper documentation and official communication methods like mail or secure portals. The scam is designed to scare you with urgency, hoping you'll click before thinking. But remember, just because a message feels urgent doesn't make it real. Always verify through the official Maryland MVA website or contact them directly if you ever get something suspicious. Don't fall for it. This is just another modern-day phishing attempt targeting everyday people through their phones. Stay alert, protect your personal information, and help spread the word to stop others from becoming victims of this deceptive scam.